Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate you what is brisk evaporations, how it occurs and a lot about it. So let us come to the procedure. The first thing you will require about it is a bit of water in a beaker. I have taken water a bit, not much. See, as I am just shaking it, the water level you can understand, a very little. Now in a test tube we have to give some sulfuric acid. I am using sulfuric acid. You can use any acid with you. So this is my sulfuric acid bottle. Now I will just give some drops of sulfuric acid in this test tube. So now I am dipping the dropper in. And now I will be pouring it in the test tube. So I am done. Now I will give this sulfuric acid in the test tube to the beaker of water I have added to just dilute the sulfuric acid. So this is my test tube and my sulfuric acid. Now I will give it in this beaker. Slowly I have to add because it can cause several explosions. So I have added. Now in this spoon I have taken baking soda. The chemical formula of baking soda is known to all, that is NaHCO3, and the chemical formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Now my question is, what will happen if I will add this baking soda in this sulfuric acid? First let us understand, then I will show you the procedure. When I will just add this to this NaHCO3 to H2SO4, it will form Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, and water and carbon dioxide. Now my question is, what is brisk evaporations? When I will just add, the carbon dioxide will try to come out. Now let us do it and let us see. Just see, the carbon dioxide is coming out and see the explosion. Not explosion, reaction. So as this carbon dioxide is coming out, you saw that a bit bubble came first. Now let us add a bit more. Just see, and now it is coming out. Wow, it's so amazing, isn't it? It's very smoky here. I will just suggest you not to stay here. Now what is brisk evaporations? That carbon dioxide coming out and forming a bit bubble is called brisk evaporations. Now the remaining thing inside, it is nothing but the sodium sulfate and water. The maximum carbon dioxide came out. Little bit more it is there. I will just try to give it. As maximum acid is diluted, it is now coming less. In chemistry, we have studied that acid plus base equal to salt and water. Now, H2SO4 is an acid and this NaHCO3 is a base. So, when I am giving, we should get salt and water. Then, as I told before, we are getting H2O, water, and now the question comes, where is salt? Na2SO4 is nothing but the salt here. So, this formula is also proved that acid plus base equal to salt and water. So, thank you. Hope you liked the video.